This is not a real studio. This is how my real background looks. And this is how my videos looks after using AI. And the best part is, I made this for free using only my phone and AI tools. In this video I'll show you how to turn a boring background into a professional YouTube background, like this, and this. You don't need an expensive camera, you don't need a real studio, and you don't need difficult editing skills. You only need your phone, free AI tools and a few minutes. Everything can be done in 4 simple steps. So, let's start. The first step is recording your video the right way. This part is very important, because if you make mistakes here, the final AI background will not look realistic. First, find a place with good lighting. Natural light, artificial light, both are okay. The important thing is that your face is bright and easy to see. Next, try to use clean background. Remove extra objects behind you. The cleaner the background is, the more realistic your final result will look. Also, use a tripod. Don't hold your phone or camera in your hands. Small camera movement can make editing much harder later. Now set up your frame. Try to keep your upper body, hands and chair inside the frame. Don't cut parts of your body out of the shot. It can look strange after editing. And one more important thing, try not to move your hands too much. And don't stretch your arm too far from your body. This will help the AI effect to look more natural. After recording your video, open any video editing app. I will use CapCut, but you can use any editor you like. The steps are almost the same everywhere. Create a new project and import your video. Now make basic edits. Remove mistakes, long pauses and silence. When you finish editing, choose the best frame from your video. If you use a computer, export the frame as an image. If you use a phone, just take a screenshot. Then save the image. We will use it to create the AI background. Now comes the fun part. Open Adobe Firefly. If you don't have an account, create one first. After loading, find the generative tool. Upload the screenshot you saved before. Then type a prompt describing the background you want. For example, modern YouTube studio background, cinematic lighting, realistic room, warm light, professional creator setup. Now click Generate. The AI will create different backgrounds options for you. If you like one of them, save it. If not, generate more versions. You can also change your prompt and make it more specific. Keep trying until you get the perfect result. When your background is ready, download the image to your phone or computer. Now go back to CapCut. Open the same video project again, import your AI background image. Place your original video on the main track. Then add the AI background above the video. Now use a rectangle mask on the background layer, invert the mask, and softly blur the mask edges so everything blends naturally. At this point, your video should already look something like this. And here is the final result. This looks like a real YouTube studio, but everything was made using only a phone and AI. If you enjoyed this video, save it so you can watch it again later. And write in the comments what kind of AI background you want to create for your videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!